68 years old. Yeah, yes.
Before we dive in, I want to share something that can help you make smarter choices about your supplements. You'll see a QR code throughout this video. Scan it anytime. It links to my free Informed Choices Guide, 7 easy steps to finding the right dietary supplement. It's a quick, easy guide to help you select supplements that work for your health goals. Antioxidants are compounds that play a crucial role in maintaining health, particularly for those engaged in rigorous exercise. They combat oxidative stress, which is a harmful process that occurs when free radicals, unstable molecules generated during intense physical activity, overwhelm the body's antioxidant defenses. Free radicals can damage cells, proteins, and DNA, leading to fatigue, inflammation, and a prolonged recovery time. By neutralizing these free radicals, antioxidants help protect the body from damage and contribute to improved athletic performance. There are several types of antioxidants, each with unique properties and sources. Vitamins C and E, beta-carotene, and selenium are among the most well-known antioxidants that provide significant benefits. Vitamin C, found in citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens, helps regenerate other antioxidants and supports immune function. Vitamin E, sourced from nuts and seeds, protects cell membranes from oxidative damage. Beta carotene, which is abundant in colorful fruits and vegetables, converts to vitamin A in the body and supports vision and immune health. Including a variety of these antioxidants in your diet can create a robust defense against oxidative stress. For athletes, the need for antioxidants becomes even more pronounced. Intense training and competition can lead to higher levels of oxidative stress, which can hinder performance and recovery. Research suggests that antioxidant supplementation may enhance recovery times, reduce muscle soreness, and improve overall athletic performance. However, it's essential to strike a balance. Too much supplementation can interfere with the body's natural adaptation to exercise. Therefore, focusing on a diet rich in natural sources of antioxidants is often the best strategy for athletes looking to maximize their potential. Incorporating antioxidant-rich superfoods into your meal plan can be both delicious and beneficial for your performance. Foods such as berries, dark chocolate, green tea, and leafy greens are excellent choices. These foods not only provide essential nutrients, but also deliver a concentrated dose of antioxidants that can aid in reducing inflammation and promoting faster recovery. Additionally, pre and post-workout snacks that include these superfoods can help replenish the body's antioxidant levels, ensuring that you are ready to tackle your next training session. Ultimately, understanding the role of antioxidants in your fitness regimen is vital for achieving optimal health and performance. By prioritizing antioxidant intake through a balanced diet and strategic supplementation, you can protect your body from the damaging effects of free radicals. This proactive approach allows you to continue pushing your limits, achieving your fitness goals, and feeling invincible every day. Incorporating antioxidants into your lifestyle not only enhances recovery and performance, but also supports long-term health and vitality. If you're ready to take control of your health, scan the QR code before we wrap up. It's your link to the free Informed Choices Guide. Take advantage of 7 easy steps to finding the right dietary supplement. This guide is a game changer for anyone looking to optimize their wellness.
All right, men 60 plus. Our only athlete over 60 years old this weekend. From CrossFit West Oahu, Rick Mikami. right, there you go. These are your age group athletes. 2023.